In a galaxy far, far away, they created makeup. I'm just kidding. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Your girl Rosie here, and I am now coming back with a galaxy eye makeup look and lipstick. We went a little wacky, but just a little, because I can do like a whole thing here on the side of the face, but decided not to do that. We kept it simple on the eyes. No, it's glossy. But anyways, we are using the Supernova BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette to create this look. So, I'm finally doing a galaxy look. I think it's actually pretty simple, and I don't know if it came out the way I wanted it to, but that's okay. It's simple, it's cute, and it's actually really weird because it's like white eyeliner and glitter, so I'm like looking out the corner of my eye and that's all I'm seeing. But and they have this new, that was really bright. I have this new mirror that I'm using for extra light, and it's super bright, so that's why things might look a little different or weird in the video. But if you want to know how to do this eye makeup look, then let's get to the video. Gotta of course start with the primer base. So I have the NYX spray primer. That feels like much, but oof. Spray is so much. Okay. Then eyeshadow primer, of course, the Urban Decay Original Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Supernova. The Supernova palette from the BH Cosmetics in a flat shader brush. Starting with the, it's like a raspberry maroon color. It's called Neutron. And I'm gonna put that in the crease. I'm taking the Nebula color, a dark purple, and putting that in the crease below the raspberry color. And before putting the brush down, take the color Phoenix and like a really shimmery white color, and just put that on the brow bone. That's actually really shimmery. I forgot how shimmery that was. Okay. We're gonna take a round, small blending brush and then take the shade Luna, which is a dark black color, and put that on the outer and inner corners. And a flat brush, and taking a blue, like a medium shade of blue, and putting that on the sides of the black. And then take the shade Gemini, or a silver color, and put that in the middle. And, oh, I forgot to open my beauty blenders. I'm going to take my beauty blender and take my NYX Full Coverage Concealer. Yeah. Full Coverage Concealer and conceal. clean up. I don't know if you can hear my dog, but that's my dog. I think someone is home that he's barking. And I'm gonna take a thin shading brush and go back in with the blue and the raspberry type color and put it under my eyes. Every time I do this, I get eyeshadow in my eyeball. I don't know why I choose to do this. I'm gonna take a black though and at least lightly line my lash line. Yeah, someone's home. I need to learn how to do that without getting it in my eyeball. But then taking a rounded brush, I'm going in with a gold shimmery color. It's the shade Leo in this palette. If you have this palette and you're using this palette, and just put it in the inner corner. And because this is a galaxy look, it's optional if you want to use a black or a white. But I think I'm gonna use a white because there's like white stars. That's home. I'm just gonna use a white liner and wing eyeliner. Hello.
So I take it you're doing something tonight?
No.
Why are you making me?
Because I'm filming.
Huh?
Because I'm filming. Can you shut my door, please? No? Okay. Anyway. And then, white is actually slower to use. But then just take the same white eyeliner and make little stars. And if we like to keep it a little more sparkle, you can take the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner. If you don't know why it's called body liner, I'm just gonna put this on their body. I only use it for my eyes, but you know, hopefully that's okay. And then just put it where the white is. And then take the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. I just don't know if I'm saying that right. No, I can't open it. And on the top lashes. And the Maybelline the Falsies Push Up Angel mascara on the bottom. And taking the NYX Wonderstick Contour side, I'm just going to contour my nose. Okay, taking the Benefit Holla Bronzer and an angled brush, I'm just going to contour my cheeks in a little 3E effect. A big fluff brush and blending it out. Taking the Adelaine Morin X Tarte palette and taking the I Feel Beautiful blush shade. Another angled brush. Taking the Nomad highlighter in the shade, Nomad Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Stockholm? No, Midnight Sun. Wow, what is Stockholm? In the shade Midnight Sun. And a fan brush. And I use my middle finger when I do the tip of my nose, and I just blend it out. Now my nose itches. Lipstick. Be right back. Mind my shorts. These are just casual lounging around the house shorts. Okay, so I have the Kat Von D black lipstick in the shade Witches, in the NYX Cosmetics Metals lip cream in the shade Comets 2, and Sway NYX Liquid Suede. Right? Yeah. I'm actually very nervous to do this lip, but it'll be fun for a galaxy look, so we're gonna do it anyways. Put the black on first. And then go with the purple suede and put that in the middle. Actually kind of want to give this time to dry. I'm scared they're gonna mix. It's fine, we're gonna do it. We're already committed. What we can do, I'm going to take, I don't know if I want to do this, I love this brush. Okay, so I'm going to take this brush. And I just kind of blends it out. Now I just got lipstick all over this brush and I feel bad. I don't know why I feel bad, this is my own brush. Anyways, that's a thing now. So now we're gonna take the blue one and put that in the center. This is wacky, the lips, but I'm not hating it. Yeah. This is, oh wait. Take the Max Prime Fix Plus setting spray and just set the look. Whew. Okay, now this is the finished Galaxy. Okay, so that is the finished Galaxy eye makeup look, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, then give it a thumbs up and comment down below any other makeup looks you would like me to try out, even if that includes like crazier Halloween looks, because it's fall now. It's September. Halloween is a month and a half. No, it's the second. It's more than that, but it is a month away, and I am so pumped to do more Halloween things and get a little creative here. So comment below more crazy looks if you have any ideas, and I think I'm gonna do a fall look next, a rainbow look at some point. But yeah, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful, wonderful day.